Hey, this is Chris Arnold, Avon Independent Sales Leader, and I have your Campaign 9 product picks and preview. And Avon's Campaign 9 brochure is our Mother's Day special, so we have a lot of great gifts and things for mothers in this brochure, including some cute little matching mom and daughter boss lady and mini boss tees. You can see there on our models. Those are super cute. But first up in the stuff that I have to show today, we have the Better Than Flowers 6-piece coffret. And coffret is actually just a French word meaning box. So it is a box set of 6 of our best-selling, most popular fragrances. So this is a great way. These are the purse-size fragrances, which we've had a lot of requests for over the years since we kind of stopped carrying these regularly. We just recently at the holidays started bringing these back in limited editions. And the great thing about these is, especially in a set like this, is it's a great way to try out new fragrances without committing to a full bottle. It's also a great way to be able to just, toss your fragrance in your bag and take it with you. Especially if you have, like at the office, you prefer to go maybe fragrance free. You don't like to go, heavy on the fragrance in the office, and you want to have, you're going straight from the office out to a night out or, a dinner date or night out with the girls or something like that. And you want to have your fragrance handy with you. Also great to throw in your gym bag, of course, so that you can freshen up your fragrance after a visit at the gym. But we have the Far Away and the Far Away Infinity from the Far Away line, the Rare Pearls and the Rare Gold from our Rare collection. And then from our Amari line, we have our original Amari fragrance and the Amari Seduction in that. So 6 great scents, both that you can use either to begin or expand your own fragrance wardrobe. Also a great gift for any fragrance lovers that be it mom or mom, sisters, friends, whoever. So that's the 6-piece Better Than Flowers coffret, and I do think it is a little bit better than flowers. This lasts a little bit longer than a bunch of flowers will for Mother's Day, or you could do the two together, kind of go with a fragrance theme there, get some nice fragrant flowers. Next up, we have our Pearly Perfection collection, and this is a gold tone and pearl collection. We have the simpler kind of the multi-strand, oops, wrong side of the page here, the multi-strand necklaces and necklace and earring with the pearlesque stones there. We also have the bracelet and the necklace that are more statement pieces. I really love this necklace because it's an asymmetrical design, and it just really, it works well with, like an evening outfit. Would also work great with, just jeans and a casual shirt to dress up a casual outfit. It's just a really fun piece. And I do have the layered long necklace from the Pearly Perfection collection, and we untwist that there. Got it a little tangled up sitting here on my desk. Which, let's do this. So here's your tip on if you get it tangled up, you just unclasp it and hang it and let it untwist. So there we go. So who knew you were going to get a lesson on how to untangle your jewelry while you're at it. It does have the 3-inch extension, so you can adjust the length. It is long enough on the longest setting of the extender to actually just go right over. So if you do like something that you can just slip over your head and not have to worry about working the clasp from behind. I know a lot of people have challenges with that, especially if you have long nails or if you have, maybe things like arthritis in your hands and you have a hard time manipulating that clasp, especially when it's around behind your neck. Very easy to just slip that over. It is long enough to just slip over the head and not have to work the clasp each time. It has a nice length, so it's gives a nice elongating look to any outfit. So I will actually unclasp it to take it off. So I'll tangle it in my ponytail. So that is the layered long pearlesque necklace, and that is part of the Pearly Perfection collection. Next up we have the Flower Market collection, and this is a really beautiful collection with kind of mostly a floral motif. We have kind of the bee motif on one of the brooches. The other brooch is more with the pearl beads instead of the multicolor stones. Really cute set. They come in these cute gift boxes, so they're all ready to give. And this is the drop earrings with that beautiful rich purple stones in the earrings. And I'll turn it so they actually hang the same length. That's the purple drop earrings. And then we have the bracelet, which is an open cuff bracelet. It has more of it's still a floral motif, but it's more of almost like a lotus motif. And it is adjustable in that, like, you can kind of squeeze the size down a little bit. I've squeezed it down just a little bit to make it a little bit tighter around the wrist so it doesn't flop around as much and fits well right on the wrist. But that's how that there looks. And that's the Flower Market collection. Again, comes already gift boxed and ready to give. Love those types of gifts. And then we have some new pieces in our sterling silver collection. We have these great little Wish Upon a Star necklace and earrings. The watch on this page is actually silver tone. The watch is not sterling silver, but it coordinates really nicely with this collection. Then we have what is that? We have the graduated CZ bypass, or the graduated CZ in the necklace here on this side. And then we have the pearl, oops, keep getting the book backwards today. The pearl CZ halo earrings and necklace. And I have that necklace. Pull that up where you can see, make sure I don't have that. I have it backwards on the neck form. I was playing around with it a few minutes ago and didn't get it put back right. So that's the pear-shaped CZ with the halo around the outside. And let me see if maybe without the form it focuses a little better here. So you can see you can see the light, how the light plays on the stone there. It's got a nice, really pretty sparkle to it. Oh no, it's going backwards. And then the halo of little CZs around the outside. Really great classic piece if you want just a simple pendant necklace. Very nice, delicate sterling silver chain. And this one does have the extender, but it's two options for the length instead of being able to adjust anywhere in between the shorter and longer lengths. So that is the Pear CZ Halo pendant necklace. And then from our existing products, wanted to share our Anew Clinical Extra Strength Retexturizing Peel. This is actually part of my personal skincare routine because I do find that I do get kind of like the dull texture to my skin, or that just it really needs to be smoothed out a bit, and this does kind of help with the skin tone as well. But it is our most concentrated peel. That's why it's our extra strength peel. And it's an at-home professional grade treatment, so it helps to retexturize and resurface the skin. And it's one easy step. It's just a little pad with a texture on one side and smooth on the other. Actually kind of reminds me of when I was in high school and we used to get the like Stridex pads for acne. We do have something like that in our clear skin line also. We have the anti-acne pads, but this is for resurfacing and retexturizing the skin. And so it's a great way to exfoliate the skin, and it's a complex of 5 different acids, so it gives you multiple benefits. So it gives you fresher, smoother skin, gives a little bit more radiant look. So because it improves the texture and radiance of the skin. It minimizes the appearance of sunspots, fine lines, acne scars, like post-acne marks. Does have alpha hydroxy acids and glycolic acid, and I actually forget what the other 3 are, but it's a good blend of acids for you. It is oil free, just like all of our skincare. It's dermatologist tested and allergy tested, and you can use it every other day, so every second day, in the morning or the evening, whichever works better for you, wherever it fits into your routine better. If you have sensitive skin, I have kind of sensitive skin. I have eczema, and so if I'm a little too harsh on my skin, it'll cause patches of eczema on my face. So I actually only use it maybe twice a week, so every 3 to 4 days. So you can use it less often and still see a benefit if your skin is sensitive and using it every other day is too much. But use it after you cleanse your skin. So you want to cleanse your skin, dry the face. You don't want to use it on wet skin because that'll cause a little bit too much tingling. And then after you sweep that on, then you just follow with your regular Anew treatments or moisturizer. So that's the Extra Strength Retexturizing Peel. And that's all I've got for you this campaign. Definitely, pick up the Campaign 9 brochure. Great if you're shopping for Mother's Day, or if you just want some great things for yourself. There's a couple of little gift sets. There's a beautiful, like a really nice, fun travel set that you can pick up. Some fun things like, Mom's coffee mug that tells you based on how much coffee you have drank, what level of interaction you are ready for. So lots of fun stuff in the Campaign 9 brochure. Be sure to pick that up or check out the brochure online. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see y'all again in a couple weeks.